we're back mga kada. Usong-uso ngayon sa social media ang mga slang, diba? Na mga bagong slang ng mga Gen Z or kung anong mga expressions na kumakalat online na mabilis lang, diba? Isa sa pinakabagong pinag-usapan ay tinatawag na swagap. Swagap. Oo, swagap. Oo, pero ano nga ba talagang ibig sabihin na itong swagap? May swag ba kayo? Tapos may gap pa?
Ang swagap po ay ginagamit para ilarawan ang malaking pagkakaiba sa aura, confidence, style, o overall vibe ng dalawang tao. Isa na dyan, ang isa sa mga ginagawang example ng swag gap relationship ay ang mag-asawang Justin and Hailey Bieber.
Kaya mga kada, alamin natin kung saan na ba nagsimula ang swag gap. Bakit ito biglang nag-viral at ano ang sinasabi ng mga netizens tungkol sa trend na to?
Yes, kaya naman mga kada, makakasama natin ngayong umaga para i-share ang kanyang thoughts about this online trend. Let's welcome sa Share KU, Coach V. Antonio. Hi, guys!
Thank you. Magandang umaga, kada umaga. Thank you for having Coach V again.
Siyempre kailangan, updated tayo, Coach V. Ano ba tong swag gap na sinasabi na pinag-uusapan nila sa social media?
Oo nga, trending na trending to, kaya dapat kada alam nyo to. So, ang swag gap nga, as defined earlier, no, ito yung pagkakaiba sa vibe, sa attractiveness ng couple. So, you call it swag gap in relationship. At bakit nagtitrending ito? Saan ba ito nanggaling? Because napag-alaman sa sensya or sa science na ang mga nagkakatuluyan daw, usually yung magkakalapit ng attractiveness. That is based on the matching hypothesis. Kaming matchmakers, ginagamit namin yon. Pag ima-match namin, for example, si Jasmine. For example, Jasmine, di ba? She's a 9. Bibigyan din namin siya ng 9. Kasi pag binigyan namin siya ng 5, sasabihin niya, Coach B, ayoko na. Hindi na ako makipag-work sa'yo.
Pag 10, hindi pwede.
Kapag 10 naman, sasabihin niya, Coach B, ayoko ng 10.5, 15 kasi baka naman lokohin ako kasi masyadong malaki yung agwat ng attractiveness niya sa akin. So people tend to end up with somebody na malapit sa attractiveness. Kaya mga kada, kung may asawa kayo, may boyfriend kayo, tingnan mo na. Kung anong level ng attractiveness niyan, ibig sabihin, ganun din ang level ng attractiveness mo.
Is that why people minsan...
So, bakit ito nagtitrending yung swag gap relationship? Kasi nakikita nila, for example, si Hailey tsaka si Justin, parang ang layo ng attractiveness. Bakit nagkatuluyan? Baka may ibang motivation. Kaya nagtitrending tong swag
Pero
gap
Coach
relationship.
V, once upon a time, wala naman silang swag gap. Pareho sila ng, Justin Bieber is a very attractive guy.
Correct.
I think ang nagkaroon lang ng discrepancy kasi lately, he hasn't been dressing
Putting effort.
up or in the way that maybe society is expecting him to.
That's very...
Parang talagang dina-downplay niya yung celebrity niya.
Asawa ka pa ng supermodel.
Oo. Na very successful.
And fashionable.
And a successful entrepreneur in her own right, di ba? So parang sinasadya ba niya to? Why is he doing this? Lalo tuloy nakikita yung discrepancy nilang dalawa because ayaw niya magbihis, ayaw niya mag-ahit, ayaw niya magpa-cute.
May theory ako dito, pero syempre si...
And they're not the only one.
Yes.
Selena
Correct.
Gomez is like
Yes.
that. Benny Blanco's the same.
Yun nga sana yung gusto kong sabihin, baka naman kaya hindi ganado mag-ayos ang lalaki is hindi inspired sa kasama niya. Baka hindi pa over sa ex.
Kasi parang, maybe yun lang yung trip nila right now. Because once upon a time, he didn't dress that way. But something happened along the way. And I think, I think P. Diddy happened to him. That's why. At na-depress siya doon.
Ako, I will share. I feel like I'm in a relationship like that. But, another thing, syempre, may 7 years partner. Pero kasi, like, there are times, I will say talaga, hoy, mag-dress up ka naman, tinan mo yung itsura mo. Kasi nga, like, sometimes it's like that. Pero ito when I first met him, kapag nilagay mo yan si Tommy sa mga lugar na may mga pa-dress up na whatever, parang siya stylist. He can style anyone. And he can actually tell you pagbaduy yung damit at kung bakit at kung paano ayusin.
So, he has a sense of style, but he doesn't use it himself.
Pinipili
Ganun ba yun?
niya. Kung lakad niya, oo. Kung lakad ko, depende. Sabi na, sino yung ano namin? Oo, ganun. And then sometimes talaga, kasi syempre hindi naman ako pwede lumabas na pangbahay lagi. Although sometimes, ganun nga ako lumalabas na ako yung nagmamatch na sa kanya, minsan. Kasi I really like wearing loose clothes and stuff. But anyway,
Anong reason niya, amiga? When you say that, does he get
Upset?
insulted?
maybe, kasi I'm not inside him to know. But I also don't care. Kasi I hope so, because that's my point. Kasi ang point ko doon is, ang sinasabi ko sa kanya, I have an image to keep and I have a price that I charge when people get me outside to do hostings, to do singings, to do whatever man. So if your presence with
Will distract.
with a below the alam mo yun, yung parang lower looking type of things will affect my image. So ayusin mo yun. So ganun kami nag-uusap.
Totoo yun,
Yes.
my love. Kaya titingnan nyo talaga yung partner nyo kasi your partner can either pull you up or pull you down.
Yes.
Because when you walk, you can't stop people from giving first impression.
True.
Science have shown na people forms a decision whether attractive ka ba or hindi ka attractive in 1 second. Tapos, our brain also decide if somebody is likable or not in 3 seconds.
Actually,
3 to 7 seconds. So, imagine mo, kung first impression pa lang, sablay ka na, di ang dami mo pang kailangang bunuin to prove that, you know what, people pa naman, merong tinatawag na halo effect. Pag nakakita ng maganda, iniisip nila, matalino at successful yan. Pag
Oo
nakakita ng gulo-gulo yung buhok, iniisip, hindi naligo.
Oo, totoo. Totoo yun.
Pero, Coach V, paano naman yung yung freedom of expression nila? Halimbawa,
Kasi yan yung sasabihin.
diba, halimbawa, sabihin ni Justin Bieber, ito yung trip kong forma ngayon eh.
Ganon.
You're not gonna respect my feelings about this or how I express myself right now.
Actually, ang swag gap ay hindi lang sa attractiveness at sa fashion. Sometimes it's about power dynamics. Kasi kung sino ang mas powerful, sino ang mas may dating, siya yung mukhang mas dominant in a relationship. Siya yung catch sa relationship.
Another one that you opened my mind now. If, diba that was an event that Hailey was going to for one of her businesses.
Yes.
Diba?
Anniversary.
Kung masyadong dressed up din si Justin, he will might outshine Hailey.
naman, no?
Maybe it's intentional.
I heard that was a comment. Someone said that it was Hailey's anniversary of her company. So it was her time to shine. And that's why Justin laid low lang. Kasi siguro if he was super dressed up, then maybe the attention would shift from his
Correct.
wife
Justin.
to him na lang.
Diba?
Yeah, I
pwede
remember
din.
that.
And normal lang naman talaga na ang lalaki, hindi naman talaga maayos.
Ma-dress
Kasi
up.
hindi naman talaga nila enjoyment yon. Tayo kasi, whether may tao or wala, enjoy na enjoy tayo
Kala ko
magpaano,
they
no?
do. Sa harap ng mirror.
Kaya dapat hindi ginajudge ang mga babae na, uy, nagpapaganda lang yan para sa mga lalaki. Ay,
Yes.
you should see us sa girls night out, magaganda pa din kami kahit puro
Tama.
babae.
Mas
Not
maganda
more.
pa.
Mas maganda pa.
Actually,
Oo.
kahit
Totoo yun.
kami lang sa loob ng ano. But anyway, talking about this, it's normal that the woman is more attractive than the man. Bakit? Ang attractiveness ng lalaki at babae magkakaiba. For example, sa women, very important ang personality and
Yes.
looks. For men naman, kahit sobrang gwapo mo pero hindi ka financially stable, hindi ka
totoo yun.
masyado, 'di ba? Compared sa hindi masyado gwapo pero stable, financially, emotionally, mas maraming magkakagusto doon.
What would
The attraction.
What would you say for if you're in a relationship and like for example you're the type of person like me who likes to dress up all the time, look presentable, and then even if you tell your partner like why can't you dress up like even a little bit, they still say like no I don't want to, like this is who I am, because you know before I was seeing this person long time ago and I was still the same, like very girly makeup, and then when I would ask them to dress up they'd be like sweatpants is me dressing up, and I was like
Parang may pride pa.
yeah, I was like totoo ba? But then now like for example with Christian, like if he sees I'm dressing up he will match my energy.
Yeah.
Abad, yan yung tama.
Yan yung ano.
But what would
Diba?
you say for the opposite? Like is it something within the guy like he just doesn't want to
Put an effort.
like put an effort, or is it just them really talaga like their personality?
So to begin with, like properly dressing up is a sign of respect. Di ba?
Correct.
For
Yes.
example,
True.
iba yung outfit natin if you're going to like a family affair or kung pupunta ka ng beach, di ba? Or you're going to church or you're doing something else. Now, medyo masakit kapag sinabihan kasi natin yung partner na, oh, you also dress up. Feeling ko ego na nila yung tinatamaan.
Oh.
And even if may damit naman sila, gusto naman nila, pag sinabihan kasi natin sila, minsan lalong ayaw sumunod. Lalong, kasi gusto nila, I want you to accept me for who I am. They feel that we are trying to change them.
Pero mas masakit kung
Kung-
pagpapalit yung babae ng
Ay,
damit.
oo. Kaya sabi ko, makinig na lang kayo.
Eto ba siya, coach? Like, for example, is there any other or better way to approach our partners na mas hindi sila ma-offend or ma-hurt yung ego nila, but at the same time, mas ma-encourage sila mag-try and mag-effort to dress up din?
Ganda ng tanong mo, my love. Because one of the smartest woman that I know, instead of pushing their partner na, uy, bilhin mo to, suotin mo to, alam mo kung ano ginagawa niya?
Inuunahan niya.
Pahinging pangbili ako magsha-shopping para sa'yo. Kasi minsan ang mga kalalakihan, busy kasi yan. busy yan kumita ng pera. Hindi nila priority ang fashion. So bilang asawa, bilang girlfriend, hingi ka ng pambili, ikaw mag-shopping para sa kanya. Tanggalin mo yung mga damit na ayaw mong sinusuot niya. Sabi mo, my love, wala nang laman yung cabinet mo, wala kang choice. Suotin
May
mo.
follow-up question ako.
Meron pa ako isang suggestion.
Sige, go.
Give praise when praise is due.
Yes.
Correct.
Halimbawa, nataypan mo yung isang outfit niya.
Ay, totoo yun.
I-praise mo yung i-praise para
Yes.
naman maisip niya na
Uulitin
parang,
niya.
uy,
Oo.
she took notice. Kasi
So everyday, yun na yung suot niya.
Encourages that.
Kasi yung asawa ko for a while, stop. Sabi nga niya, even he said it himself. Sabi niya, para daw he gave up on life. Kasi all this time, all he would wear are sneakers, white sneakers. That's it. Lahat ng uri ng white sneakers, tsaka joggers. Yun lang ang kanyang suot. Tapos lately, bigla, Coach V, mag-usap tayo
See?
mamaya.
Hala.
Biglang nag-shopping!
Nakadugtong. Okay, nakadugtong yung question ko dyan, yung follow-up question ko. Don't you think, Coach V, you probably have a scientific fact for or reason for this? Kasi parang nanonotice ko, or maybe ako na lang nabubudol, pero I notice that people have the tendency to follow the style of their partner after a long time. Na parang biglang
Like you influence.
nahahawa.
You
Diba, like I had a partner before, long time ago, like si Jazz na rin, I mention ko lang na ex, na in-influensyahan niya talaga ako mag-dress
ikaw
up.
na-influensyahan niya?
Oo, baliktad naman. So, sabi ko, maybe we actually do that to people. Depende kung anong connection mo sa kanila. So, for example, in that case, I look up to him, in that guy. That I follow the style. Pero na-notice ko rin naman, teka, meron akong sariling style, hindi pwede lahat yung dito. O yung ganon. So, nakakahawa din ba?
Yes, because whatever you repeat becomes permanent. So kung paulit-ulit yung exposure mo, ang tao nag-give in. And with exposure, ibig sabihin, the more repeated mo siyang nakikita, naa-adapt mo siya. Kaya nga may mga couples na mukha na silang magkamukha.
Correct.
It's not really because magkamukha sila. It's because like this, pag lagi tayong magkasama, Diana, makukuha ko yung mga facial expression,
Yes.
facial reaction. So nagmumukha na tayong magkamukha. Same with fashion. If I always with you and I see that you're always, fashionable and you have some sense of preference, napipick up nila. So whatever you repeat, it becomes
Kaya
permanent.
dapat ikaw, araw-arawin mo na tong pagbisita mo sa amin. Para we're all aligned, fashion-wise, mentally,
Tama.
emotionally, at mas marami pang maliwanagan sa mga
Correct.
relationship issues. Kaya, Coach V, thank you very much.
Thank you, Coach V. At dahil nabitan kami for sure yung mga kada din namin, saan ka ba pwede ma-follow and i-contact?
Ayan, mga kada, kung meron mang swag up sa inyong relationship, maybe it's time to level up para naman magkapantay kayo and your partner will feel satisfied, no? Now, mga kada, Matchmaker Philippines on Instagram. At syempre, matchmakerphilippines.com naman if you wanna know more of Coach V.
Or panoorin niyo yung movie na The Materialist. Very
Yes,
Coach V
very
yung
Coach
vibe
V
na yun.
yun.
Tsaka Coach V, more often ka dito sana. This week na-miss ka namin. Today ka lang namin nakita. Diba?
Gaganda pala ng outfit nyo, my loves. Baby girl.
Sana naka-baby girl ka
Kaya
na rin
nga.
today.
Happy Women's Month, mga
Tama.
kada.
Kaya maraming salamat, Coach V. Mga kada, hindi nasusukat sa style or confidence level ang tunay ng value ng isang relasyon. Ha? Mas mahalaga pa rin mga kadang respeto, komunikasyon, at kung paano nyo pinapalakas po ang isa't isa bilang partner. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
Mamaya
Yes,
mag-one-on-one
yes,
tayo.
yes.
Hindi kailangan pareho po kayo ng personality. Dapat pareho lang pareho ng vibe o pareho ng swag. Minsan yung differences po ang nagiging mas excited. That's what makes the relationship more exciting at mas balanced. Kaya sa mga couples na nanonood po ngayon, tandaan na hindi competition ang relationship. Ito ay isang partnership. At kapag
Yes.
pareho kayong nag-uplift sa isa't isa, doon lumalabas ang tunay na swag ng isang relasyon.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.